A nice technique I really like for the sciatic nerve is to work on the piriformis and provide a stretch like this. When you think of the sciatic nerve, it kind of goes underneath the piriformis and then it goes down like this down the hamstring. So what I like to do is this kind of hook and pull stretch technique. So what I do here is I will place the base of my hand here on the sacrum, and then I'm going to hook my fingertips like this, and then you're going to find the piriformis muscle, and you're just going to kind of lift up. Doesn't have to be a lot of pressure. So you're hooking in, you're lifting up, and then you're going to place your other hand down on the hamstring, and then you're going to pull down like this. So you're creating a stretch like this with your hands. So place your hand down, lift up, creating a bit of space for the nerve. And then with this hand, you're just going to pull down and provide a stretch. And you can hold this for a couple of minutes. Usually this area can be really irritated, so a really good idea to work with the breath and decrease the sympathetic nervous system firing. Make sure that they're relaxing into it. And just keep holding until you feel like the tissue underneath your hands is easing up and relaxing. You can hold this technique for a couple of minutes. This one I find sometimes you have to hold it for a while before it takes effect. Another way of treating the glutes is to think of the nervous system, especially the cutaneous nerves, which will kind of move in this direction. So what you can do is encourage a bit of a stretch down like this. So you can stabilize at the other pelvis. You don't need to, but you can place your hand down on that side, and then with this hand, you're stretching and you're pulling towards the greater trochanter. So you're kind of curling your hand, providing the skin stretch, and then going towards the greater trochanter. Clear this with clients. Make sure you're telling them that, hey, I'm going to do this technique over your glutes. This is going to be relaxing potentially for your nervous system, and make sure to clear it with them, especially working on the sensitive area. And once again, just hold there.